D to the I to the N-E-O. Dineo.
Hello everyone, my name is Dineo and thank you for tuning in. Today's tutorial is all about how to flat twist, baby. So if you're interested to know how, keep on watching. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, comment and share. Ciao! Before beginning to flat twist, I highly recommend you to detangle your hair as it'll make it a much simpler process and it'll save you unwanted hair loss, girl. Okay, hand positioning. Your right hand will be stationary on the base of your head and your left hand will move freely. Remember that. With your right hand, you will grab the base of your hair with your thumb and pointing finger. With your left hand, you will use it to pick up small pieces of hair. Okay, hand positioning sorted. Let's get it. With your right hand, grab the base of your hair. With your left hand, pick up a small piece of hair. Twist that hair multiple times. Take the hair that you've twisted and place it next to the base of your hair, under the middle and pointing finger on your right hand. Go back to the base of your hair and pick up a small piece of hair. When you pick up this hair, leave the twisted hair under the middle and pointing finger. Twist the hair that you've picked multiple times. Take the hair under your middle and pointing finger and join it to your hair base. Then, take the hair you've just twisted and place it under the middle and pointing finger on your right hand. Okay girl, let's repeat. Pick up a small piece of hair. Remember to leave the twisted hair under your middle and pointing finger. Twist the hair you've just picked multiple times. Take the hair under your middle and pointing finger and join it to your hair base. Take the hair you've just twisted and place it under your middle and pointing finger. Pick up a small piece of hair. Twist the hair that you've picked up multiple times. Take the hair under your middle and pointing finger and join it to your hair base. Take the hair that you've just twisted and place it under your middle and pointing finger. Okay, now I will leave you to watch the tutorial alone. Don't despair, I'll be back. Ciao! Now let's see if you can do it without instructions. Okay, that's all I have for you. I hope you learned something. If you didn't, shame. It's late for you. No, I'm just kidding. Practice makes perfect. Remember that.
Pick up hair and twist it. Join previous hair and put to the side. Pick up hair and twist it. Join previous hair and put to the side. Pick up hair and twist it. Join previous hair and put to the side.
Thank you so much for watching. Also, please subscribe to my channel. Subscription is absolutely free, yo. Lastly, don't forget to like, comment, and share. Ciao!